Oh, what's up? So, Lawson's back from SEMA and it's just in time because this is Jeep Week here in the shop. We got a couple of them going on, but our first one is our good friend Chad, who's an Iraq war veteran, has his 15 Wrangler 2-door in here. Now, it's got mud tires now, but it's stock height. He wants to go a little street Jeep with it, so you might not like it, but it's gonna be pretty sweet. 35-inch Terra Grappler G2s, some 20x10 Cali Offroads. It's just a different style Jeep, and I think it's gonna be cool.
But